What's up, basketball world? I'm Arvin Clyde, and this is King of the Fourth, episode 10. And we are very lucky and spoiled to have back to back special episodes. And of course, we have another very special guest coming off his championship, the newly crowned gold medalist, the man in the sidelines, the head coach of our Team Pilipinas boys under 18. Let's give a hand for Coach Jess Evangelio. Coach Jess,
Clyde.
congrats again, Coach Jess.
Thank you,
And
Clyde.
by the way, nice crib.
Shoutouts King of the Court, shoutouts Cross Court, and please follow my page, Coach Jess.
Once again, Coach Jess, thank you for inviting us in your home, in your crib. Nice crib, by the way.
Salamat.
Nagid mi diri, naka-attack gid mi. And of course, we want this to be a very spontaneous, conversational podcast para comfy lang. So I will start with warm-up questions.
Okay.
First of all, how are you feeling right now? I know it's been few days pa man po. So what are your feelings, your thoughts about winning the gold?
Yeah, actually, I'm very overwhelmed right now because seeing the teams in the opening sa ASEAN School Games, all of the teams are bigs. They are tall. So I think Team Philippines are the smallest. We are the smallest team. So I did not expect the outcome. I did not expect the outcome to be that. Hindi kasi masyado easy, pero may mga games kami na tambak. So may mga games na close fight. So ano lang, parang hindi ako nag-expect na champion agad. Ang akin lang is parang one game at a time. So yun lang, every game, every possession, I'll make sure that our players are motivated and our players respect the opponents well.
Okay, Coach. So we will talk more about that, but later, we'll have a segue. Let's talk about your coaching start, because I'm sure to everyone who a lot of people now recognize your name, because you won, of course, the gold, and that's a remarkable feat. So let's talk about how you started as a coach, because me personally, I knew you back I think 2016 tung nagkuan ka, playing coach ka. So for everyone who's watching, tell us asa nag-start.
Siguro nag-start akong coaching career sa way back college. Kay nag-coach na ako sa intrams namin. So player ko doon sila Coach Martin Maningo. Yun, one of the GOATs intrams, business management.
Agreed.
Yeah, so doon siguro nag-start yung passion ko sa coaching kasi parang outlet kasi siya sa schedule ko. So parang may nilulook forward ako every day na after magtrabaho or after law school, ang gusto ko puntahan is practice namin. So yun yung parang start talaga sa coaching career ko. And then after nung try ako ng mga work, na-invite din ako sa Ateneo High School. So, mag-coach ng high school team. So, doon na nag-start.
Okay, so you're saying that you found your passion for coaching by it's not by accident, pero unintentional siya. It's not something that you thought of na gagawin ko to, but more on murag try lang siya. And then later on you found out, this is what I want.
Yeah.
Tama.
Yeah, tama.
So, follow-up question on that, Coach. So this was your start. So what's the transition like? Of course, for most of the people in Davao, we know you as the player. Then you became the coach. What's the transition like from player to coach?
Siguro sobrang laking difference ng parang sobrang hirap ng transition from player to coach kasi syempre kung player ka, hindi ka naman maglalaro ng first to fourth quarter. So unlike sa coach, parang 40 minutes ka per game kasi ako sa mga nakakita sa akin mag-coach, first to fourth nakatayo talaga ako. First to fourth parang naglalaro talaga ako. So yun lang siguro yung pinaka mahirap sa akin na part is player ako, may times na uupo ako, may times na magre-relax ako, pero sa coaching walang ganoon sa game. So 100% first to fourth quarter all out ako.
Yeah, and there were times na playing coach pa jud.
Sakto.
So that was a time when you like discovering on saon ni until dito na gid sa full coaching.
Sakto.
Then since you've had accolades naman po, actually quite ang build up sa imong accolades is quite quick. Paspas lang kaayo na ani champion. So can you tell us what it's like to be what do you do to become like that, a great coach?
Actually, I do not consider myself a great coach. I'm just a hardworking coach. I do my best every day. I make sure that my players are motivated every day. So our practice is from Monday to Friday. Sometimes it's Saturday, then Sunday laro. So I always make sure to tell my players that they are not good. They are just hardworking. We need to outwork all of our opponents. We need to outwork all of them because I always want to develop their habit as a underdog mentality always. So, yun, always ko talaga nire-remind ng mga players, hindi sila magaling. Kailangan na natin trabahuin lahat. Kailangan natin i-outwork lahat. Yun lang, parang kahit ako hanggang ngayon, hindi ko talaga iniisip sa sarili ko na magaling ako na coach. Ang akin lang, sipag ako na coach. Everyday, kung ibang coach, may team dito, may team doon. Ako, focus ako sa isang team and yung team na yun, make sure ko na always ready yun kahit saang league.
So, we can say that in these wins, in these championships, Coach Jess' team has outworked
Yes.
all those other teams.
Yes.
And, one day to Friday, Saturday. Yeah, that says a lot sa ang frequency lang daan.
Yeah.
And okay, Direta Coach, how about the your coaching style? Do you have kanang influences or mentors?
Ako actually, ang coaching style ko is parang paano ako maglaro. Kasi I am a defensive guy. So, I play defense. I make sure to lock down my opponent. So, yun lang yung sa akin eh. Yun lang yung focus ko. So, yun yung parang ine-emphasize ko sa team na we are a defensive team. So, kahit nga yung offense namin is hindi akong gumagawa. Ang gumagawa si Coach Lance Abude, assistant ko. So, halos lahat ng offense namin nasa kanya. So, ang akin lang, ang focus ko lang is yung defense namin. So, kasi always ko nire-remind yung mga players ko na defense wins championships. So, yun lang, mas may rules ako sa defense compared sa offense. So, yun.
So, defensive coach shades of what defensive coaches? Phil? Thibodeau.
Yun, tama.
Pero 8 players lang ang rotation.
Tama ako, makabadulan ako tanan.
Better si Coach Jess. So, Coach Jess, sa muna ko tong sa last na part. Do you have tong mga mentors sa imong coaching o influence?
Siguro shoutouts kila Coach Miggy.
Yes, can make shoutouts.
Shoutouts kila Coach Jonel Loterio kay sila man gud among murag na startan jud high school coach na mo sila. Sila Coach Cholo Elhino sa college coach nako. So sila Coach Jigger Sanyal. Mao na akong murag mga naagihan ng mga coaches. Pero siguro wala jud ko i-copy sa ilaha pero nagkuha lang kog mga tan-aw nako. Makaya nako itudlo sa mga players sila.
Okay, moving on. Next question, Coach. Let's talk about Of course, maybe wala pa downs kasi magkadaog. But ups and downs, naagid siguro yung mga maybe there are small things na murag you feel tired doing this or frustrated o katong happy moments of course. So let's talk about ups and downs sa coaching if there are sa downs.
Ako actually every year every tournament na mo masking dili siya makitaan jud sa camera or dili siya makitaan jud sa dahil ng champion mi pero every tournament na jud may ginagyan na problem like injuries,
yes.
like grades sa mga players.
Okay.
Attitude sa mga players. So mao jud na among burag ginatrabahuan permanente. And credits to my team, my family, my community, my village, our off-campus residences and Ateneo parents. So sila jud na nag-help sa mo like for example mga parents mga parents nila Laroya, nila Redulia, sila tong mga nag-assist sa MOA sa grades sa mga bata, nag-double check sa mga players kung unsay ginabuhat nila sa school, ana ba. At the same time sila Cap Mark and Ma'am Jo Cayetano.
Yes, of course.
Sila po na nag-provide sa mga tutors, sa mga players, sila man nag-provide sa mga transportation. So, naapod may mga sports coordinators na mo. So, every tournament, every champion na makita ninyo, barag tanaw ninyo, wala dyan na mo gihaguan, pero grabe jud ang sacrifices and efforts na gibuhat sa mong village.
Yes. Ang kuan coach. So let's talk about that katong na-mention naman nimo, ang injuries. So let's jump a little forward sa ASEAN Games. Maki Pellegrino out.
Yeah.
How devastated were you na murag nahitabo gid siya ba kay the day before mong biyahe because
tama,
sa
tama.
DCAA DCA sorry. So DCA sorry bye. DCA na injured si Maki, and of course everyone knows Maki is probably the most versatile player sa ado na team lang outside of the Delta Boys. So how was it a devastating blow for you, and how were you able to address that?
Actually, frustrated kay ko, as in, brag hurt kay ko, nahitabo to kay Maki, kay, syempre, kabalo ko, grabe punto mo trabaho tong bata ato, as in, sa team na mo, siya ang pinaka-hard worker. Siya ang superstar, pero siya ang pinaka-hard worker po sa mong team. Grabe, di ka po yun, all out tanan mo trabaho, all out trabaho sa practice, as in, wala ko yung maingon bata. Pero, kabalo pug ko na kumawala si Maki, kabalo ko ready among team. Kay mao mi ga-practice mi permente, ga-practice mi everyday. Ready maski unsay may tabo sa among team. So, katunay tabo sa DCA, nawala si Maki first quarter pa lang. Second hantod fourth quarter gikamang namo. So, kabalo ko na ready ang team na sa mga ato na mga moments. Kay di man namo to kontrolado, pero kabalo ko ready among team na maski pag mawala si Ani sa mua, kabalo ko mo step up jud namong team kay gipraktisan jud namo to, gipaghandaan jud namo to na moment.
Okay, coach. So let's go a bit sa tactical side ana. Syempre na kay ready na strategy, 'di ba? You already have planned for the minutes for these players, the roles.
Tama.
So who took place, who, or not just di man necessarily isa lang ka player, who are the players na ni salo ato na responsibility na nawala man, there's a hole to be filled, there's a void to be filled when Maki got injured?
Actually kato unfair jud kay Maki na kung amo puli siya is isa lang ka player. So
Yes.
2 to 3 players jud ang maka-feel sa void na hawa kay Maki. So kato shoutouts kay Bayanban Magic Bunot, si
Magic
Marco
Bunot.
Sisikan, grabe ka underrated player, sobra si ginapanghambog jud ako na si Marco Sisikan ni tryout lang nag-Ateneo. Kita naman na si Kuan. So grabe ka good defender, great defender. Grabe wa koy maingon bata. So kato silang duwa at the same time si Raisu, si Rene.
But
Step up jud sila.
kuan coach, during the ASEAN Games,
Okay,
because
during the
yeah,
Asian Games, yeah.
that's where I think if you read the comments, I think you read the comments,
Yeah.
players would be like, oh,
Maki,
we miss Maki.
lagi,
These are the times where he could really do something. Labi ng mga close games,
Tinod.
he's missed.
So actually, halos tanan. Si Matt Cayetano, nilock in ato ASEAN School Games, si Raisus Bainting, si kinsa pa ba. So sa Davra, halos tanan ni step up jud sa Davra. Sa Clara syempre kato Chog Moral jud. Siya jud ang murag ni puli sa among Maki Pellegrino. Si Chog, siya jud ang murag ni step up, ni penetrate. Siya jud ang ni kuha sa void na gihawa ni Maki.
Yes, actually, we can see that during the games. But of course, it's really better if it came from you na ikaw giningon na kani sila ang in Maki's absence. Sila gyud ang nisalo sa responsibilities.
Tama.
And yes, we've seen that, coach. So moving on, next question. Let's go back sa coaching style a bit. Kay na ako na kulang dito. Kanang unsa ba ang mga nabakay ka ng particular na mga strategy sa defense that you can share? Ayo to mga kasi
mas scoutan ko.
ay mas scoutan. Okay, let's not talk about that na. Lain na lang na question. Kay mahibalaan na sundugon. Tama ra pod. Ano mo tanong ko ay? Sa mga nag-interview. Anyway, let's go to the next question. Let's now talk about balik ta sa katong kuan. Istoryahan nato ang championship. let's talk about the journey itself, the preparation. First and foremost, katong right after. Ano ba ang katong mga start sa preparation? What was it like? Kanang hard practices ba or light
Sa
light to
ASEAN,
hard?
sa ASEAN.
Yes, for ASEAN.
So actually sa ASEAN School Games, sige mag-practice dito kay even among mga games murag na-treat na mas practice kay syempre niadto ang Clara Boys dire sa Davao. So kato actually ang katong stint namo sa ASEAN School Games, murag even our games may first 3 games namo we treat it as a practice ba kay syempre ni adto diri ang Clara Boys na busy kay mi kay we are preparing for DKA. At the same time naga-prepare mi DKA ang mga players pa jud namo sa Ateneo exam week pud nila. So grabe ka busy sa mga players. So kato na lang burag dula mi after dula sa games kay after practice din mi kay para lang magkuha na mong chemistry, makuha na mong bond. So luckily, pag-abot sa semifinals, murag na-close ng mga players. Championship, mas ni-close sila. So, murag, for me, kuan jud siya kanang murag process jud yapon siya, bagi paningkamutan jud yapon sa mga players ba kay kung wala sila kabalo after sa mong games, nag-practice me.
Pero ato coach, kuha na to coach Gumay, itong sa Delta Boys. Previously, katong nag-interview ta, di ba? Wala pa'y, tama ba, wala pa'y, giingon si DepEd na you have to include these players.
Tama.
So, initially, mo ang pagtuo is
Solid.
So, yun sa ba kanila pag-inform na amo ni dugang ni upat ka players or unsa bang process ato?
Actually, ang dili ang DepEd ang ni Dul sa okay. Kung ang DepEd lang kay si coach wala problema pag solid na lang, wala may problema, mas less wala may trabaho kayo. Pero ang ni Dul jud sa ko ang SBP. Ang national sa SBP sa mga basketball ng Pilipinas. Kaya syempre, gusto po nila well represented atong country, which is kasabot pug ko kay syempre kung mag-solid ko dili pug ko kasing talented sa kung nag-combine ko.
I-admit na to na.
Admit na to na, dawato na to na. So mo to and katupod kaluyan pud sa Ginoo, murag na reason tanan ba kay kato na injured si Maki.
Gyud, diba? Isipon ni mo
But
kana siya coach, diraan na part kanang sa selection sa kanang additional players. Kisa ba ang nag-call sa shot sa kasi nagbuo ikaw.
Ako.
So you decided na Delta Boys imong gusto. So all those players was handpicked by you.
Yeah, tama.
Oh, okay. So that clears. Oh yeah. Well, about that, they were also in the chatter, di ba? Na imingon amo gimingon na wala lagi si Rose, wala si Ugadan. So might we ask why?
So siguro katong kay Kuan, kay Ugadan, si Ugadan kay Kuan jud siya, na siya'y conflict na tournament, NCAA tournament.
Okay. Kita bitaw.
San Beda man siya, San Beda siya. So, kinsa pa ba? Si Matias gusto punta ng kuwaon. Kaso, mali ako napangutanan. Ako napangutanan taga Manila. Ala siya na nag-college daw si Matias.
Okay. So, di ba, di pwede?
Wala po na confirm kay, for example, sila Bolano, sila Mundas, college
18
naman, dili pwede.
18 na pwede.
18 pa sila. Okay naman 18, basta high school pa.
Okay.
So, baragi, hawa na po na ako attention kay Matias. Ay, okay, college yun di ay.
So, Coach, what about kay Luke Rose?
Kato, si Luke Rose manggod kuan, syempre namang ko'y captain ako si Rice Bainting. At the same time, si Magic Bunot, si Bayan Ban. So, dili po ganahan na kuhaon siya na di na ako siya magamit. So, kato dyan pinaka-reason ako. Na si Bainting, na si Bayan Ban.
Okay. Good answer, Coach. Balik ta sa Delta Boys. So, naana sila. Giunsa nimo sila pag integrate sa team na it seems seamless lang given that you only had more than a week to prepare with them. How were you able to integrate them into the lineup?
Actually, kanang murag ang gibuhat nako habang nasa diri sa Davao is sige lang mag-review plays. Gusto na ako tanan plays namo may balaan nila. So after that kay nag-tune up lang mi kay isa against Java. Then kato na kay wala jud mi time. So ang crucial kayo sa mo is ang practice namo sa Brunei at ang games namo sa Brunei. Kay digto mi mas nag-close, digto mi mas nag-bond. So digto nila na burag na learn ang culture namo na shocked sila na kuyawa diro burag kanang after sa game sa mua paulay naman mi. Pero sa inyuha after the game mo
Tapok pa.
practice pa mo.
Mag-practice.
Shooting pa mi.
Okay.
So
Wow.
ana
Okay.
jud kay syempre ginaapas na mo ang ilang kuan ginaapas na mo ang ilang bond with us at the same time katupod crucial kay abot si Coach Martin kabaloan ni na every night naga-huddle jud mi. Every night naga-talk jud mi para sa among game plan pagkaugma, among mga buhatonon pagkaugma. So mao jud tong for me ang underrated is ang every night huddle na mo.
Okay, more on that, coach. Katong especially about Chog. O sa interview namo, I asked him this. Of course, katong nagdula mo sa Miss. Perhaps you would consider that as the championship game.
Yeah.
Kay mo grabe gito na dula.
Grabe.
They are the heavyweights. And napildi sila, and I asked Chog this, how was the what was the icebreaker? So sa imong part as coach, syempre imo mo ng responsibility. And people know na sa mga people na kabalo, the behind the scenes importante kay na crucial kay na what if Chog kanang si Chog na awkward or na di ba na ilang. So unsa may gibuhat nimo ato na to make sure na kanang pag-abot niya diri ma-welcome siya o makabanday niya immediately ang imong players.
Actually sa kuan pa lang daan. Nag-story namin daan ni Chog maski na pa siya sa Pampanga. Pinaka first ng story gipastorya sa si Maki, si Baterbon niya. And si Raisos. So, mastorya na nila tong tulo. Okay na ko kay katumang itong mga kuan sa mong team, mga alpha. So, kung ma-okay na tong tulo, meaning ang team, okay na po siya. So, mora to, gipa, okay lang ako tong kuan, na okay naman, ang among goal is mag-one team for the Philippines. So, theirs
Actually,
was
may ang
history.
gingon na si Maki daw ang nasuod po dahil niya.
Tinood.
Niya gitudloan na siya ni Maki.
Tinod.
Gibanding na sila. Next question sa atong kuan, coach. You mentioned this earlier sa atong interview, ang support system. Let's talk about that more para pod mas masabtan sa mga tao na it's not just the coaching staff, it's not just the players. You mentioned tutors, sa logistics may naana na support. So kanang they made it easier for you, di ba?
Tinod.
So kanang sa inaana na part inakuan kanang kung ikaw mo unsa mo rate sa imong na-receive na support, is it kanang enough kuan ba, sobra-sobra ba, or wala ba kay gimahayan sa any na kuan? I think most of the supports are the parents man po, di ba?
Sobra.
So na ba kay gusto idugang about ana?
Actually, lucky kay ko sa mga parents karon kay sa parents sa team, sa mga nag-help sa team namo. Kay syempre mo tong parents na ang ginahuna-una is ang team jud. So wala nila ginahuna-una ilang anak, playing time sa anak, never jud kay. And murag mauna na naging culture namo ba na kung anak ka na parent, ginahuna-una ni imong anak, di jud ka magdugay sa team.
So wala gyud parents na
Wala,
anak coach na kadula si
Wala jud.
kay as far as I could remember, kung kadula pug ko na may inana na ang luod. Suko.
Na yung mga anak before pero tanggal na sa mong team or ni hawa ni undang na.
Okay.
So mao jud ang
That's
culture sa mong team na nakadiri maski ang parent kabalo na mo support ka for the team. So wala joy burag ka nang ayaw na unay mo anak kay team effort ta permintiin ang basketball kay team game man di ba?
Let's talk about heading to the ASEAN Games. Did you feel any pressure, any worry, or were you ever scared of failing because was there mga expectation na mo champion yun or none of that? O unsa ba gyud ang
Actually, to be honest, kuan kay ko kanang brag for the first time sa akong career sa coaching kay bothered ko kay wala mi Maki. Wala si Maki.
Okay,
Wala si Maki.
that really bothered you.
Sobrang
Wala
naka-bothered. Kay nauna-unaan ako, brag after the tournament na kung naalan si Maki ato, kaya jud kay ito. Kaya si Maki mang namurag defensive anchor, ana ba. So kato brag mao ko anxious kay every game, anxious kayo every before game. Ako nagpa-practice permente kay gusto na ko sa akong sarili mapanatag ko ba na okay. Yes, gina-practice naman sa Ateneo na masking walay Maki kabalo ko kaya na mo. Pero we are representing the country man, so it's a different story ba. So mo ko anxious kayo na wala akong Pellegrino pero kato naning kamot man ang team. Happy po ko sa outcome kay nakuha namang gold.
Of course. Og reactions nimo coach pagkita nimo sa uban team. Of course, niagi na ka months before sa palarong pambansa, di ba murag every level murag nagataas ang tier,
Tinood.
di ba? But this time around international na siya. ASEAN na gani. For the whole region na sa part sa Asia. What was the feeling like seeing these players? You mentioned earlier dagko, but can you elaborate more unsa gid imong gibati makita sila?
Actually nastoryan ako tong isa ka national referee nato, si Ray Hoftan. Ana siya na coach, iba talaga yung laro sa international kasi sa international 10, 15 points, 20 points hindi unsafe sa international. Kasi kung mapansin mo lahat ng players is shooters.
Oh, yes.
Shooters sobra.
Absolutely.
So before the game nga nagpapahal po kay Coach Martin regarding sa scouting report against Malaysia. So may hindi kami nakuha na player doon yung number 7 pumutok sa Malaysia. So yun hindi talaga wala kaming exact scouting report sa lahat kasi syempre first time namin nakalaban, first time namin nakilala sa South ASEAN School Games. So yun din yung parang sa amin, parang surprise factor na uy, magaling pala to, uy, shooter pala to. So yun para extra challenge sa amin.
So during that game coach, if wala na scout, unsa ba yung adjustment ana? What do you do?
Ang gibuhat yun ako is nakoy sariling defense nakoy sariling rules akong defense sa first half. So pagka second half, dito na ako mag-adjust na. Uy,
okay.
Kaya siya kailangan nato ni i-pressure gamay, kaya siya pwede nato ni patirahon. Ana kung kuan.
Dili elaborate kay secret ingredient, but we understand. Okay, so without Maki and seeing these guys nga different ang dinulaan, what became your winning formula? You swept through up to the finals.
Siguro dahil sa among practices dito. Grabe jud. Ang among practices dito is more on again first part is review plays pero ang second part namo is ang defense yun namo kay dito jud mi nag-bond, dito jud mi nag-improve ba na ang defense mo padaog kayo makaingon jud ko na defense balik-balik jud sa akong mga players na defense wins championship. So siguro dahil sa mga practices dito na-apply na mo dayon sa mga games namo. So mo to murag for me ang nakapa-sweep sa tournament.
Okay. And here we're at this part na to, storya na to, ang championship. Okay, coach. Before ta nag-start, I mentioned it was sort of a deja vu. But kaning koan lang gamay, backgrounder lang gamay. Malaysia, you played
First
in
game.
in your first game. It was a close game and another close game.
Championship.
Supposedly
Overtime.
dili na Duol pa, but let's talk more about that later. But sa gani ato siya i-dissect part by part. I-try na to. So kaning imong thought process before ang championship, knowing you've beaten them. Yes. Napildi sila sa inyo sa katong first game. But by 2 points ba to? 1 point?
1 point. 2 points.
2 points. So yes, you know as a coach and as a player, they will come for vengeance. They want to redeem themselves.
Tinod.
So what's is there an extra preparation for that sort of kanang opponent na championship pag
Actually, Brog dili man sa kumpiyansa ko sa championship game pero makaingon ko na wurag well prepared me compared our first game compared sa other games namo kay katulad Brog I think naka 4 games na may before championship game. So well prepared me at the same time maski unsa ihatag nila sa mua, maski unsa may tabo. Kabalo ko na ready me. So maura na akong murag gina expect sa akong mga players permente na dapat kung nay game dapat ready me. Kung dili mi ready meaning wala jud chance na modaog mi. So mao na permente akong ginabalik-balik sa mga players nato na
Okay.
every game dapat well prepared ta.
correct me if I'm wrong, coach. I watched the games, man. Delete na ng highlights, and as a first game yun, what I observed is it was all chog. And is it correct to say na later on the other guys picked up their
Actually,
kumpiyansa, their confidence, because sa kato na game, your alphas stepped up. Raisus, of course, the MVP. Rene.
Actually, good observation gito ba kay mao jud akong giingon sila after the game na sige ra tag salig kay Chog, sige ra tag hatag kay Chog, hatag kay Chog, which is bakit kita nawon, and dili man ana atong dula. Ang brand man jud sa atong team is even katong palarong pambansa ba is we have no superstars. We have superstar role players.
You mentioned that in the interview.
So mao jud to akong gi-emphasize sila na kailangan nato na ibuhi, kailangan nato na kailangan nato na ibalik sa atong sistema na ana man jud ta, wala man tay superstar, never man ta nagkaroog superstar. So kung napansin ninyo na masking makita nako sa mga ginadaugan namo ng mga tournaments, nagdulamig ng bunturan ang champion ang nag-MVP sa mga dito si Pellegrino. Nagdulamig Savior Cup ang nag-MVP sa mga si Sanoria. Palarong pamansa si Baterbonia. Davraa si Mundas manata o si Mundas. Mundas. Adi day si Pellegrino, pagadikaan namo kay si Bolano. So wala jud mi superstar sa among team. So,
there's balance sa player sa output. Alright. So moto coach, gusto po gyud to murag madungog sa mga viewers. So to anyone who would watch this podcast, that's the question man po yun, heading towards the championship. Even me, natanaw ko, di gid pwede if inato gyapon. But I also thought na ay di na naman ang kumpiyansa because sa other games napakita naman.
Wala.
Ni kuan na, ni gawas na ang comfy na.
Tama.
Okay. Another moment dito, we talked about before the game, but during the game, you came out hot. Obviously, klaro to. It was chog po yun, mostly. Again. And you had a comfy lead. Then, nahitabo is naana mo double-digit lead. I think it ballooned up to 14. Pero they came back and it ballooned again late game. And I think in the last 2 minutes or maybe under 2 minutes, you had a 9-point lead. And again, I talked to you about this itong talapat na nag-start sa interview. It seemed like a deja vu sort of scenario for you and the team. Because let's recall what happened, the sequences. During the palarong pamansa in the semis against the same guys, right? The guys who are playing for you this time. There was 2 travels. This time only one travel. Sa palaro it was Mundas and Maki.
Pellegrino.
This time it was Chog.
Tama.
And you had a 9-point lead.
Ejected was Chog after.
Yes, and he was ejected. It was such a turning point. So dira sa tao na, when that happened, what did you feel? Like, 9-point lead, we just have to hold on to the ball. Or was it 7? Basta it was already enough para ma-close out ang game. But, you know, sa basketball mo, ng drama.
Tinod.
The drama happened. That error happened. So, thoughts on that, coach?
So actually, after naitabo to, maski pa nag-overtime tong game na to, wala dyan ako nahunaunaan mapildi mi. Kay confident ko sa akong team, confident ko sa players na gipreparahan na mo to na moment. Prepared kayo mi. Nag-overtime, kabalo ko nawala si Chog, kabalo ko ang players prepared kaayo na. Mauni sila. Next man up. So, we stick to our game plan. We stick to our defensive strategies. So luckily, we pushed through. Aning kamot ang team ni Daog mi. And kato lang burag nawala si Chog, pero same sa pagkawala ni Maki sa dika. Kabalo ko ang team is prepared.
Yes, actually that was very good kuan pod na sort of kanang sa storyline ba sa game
Tinod.
that in the end we did not rely on one player.
Tinod.
Everyone stepped up, especially those guys na missing atong game against Malaysia, the first game,
Tama.
and during overtime.
Tama.
So, storyahan pala to gamay, coach. Katong right after that particular moment na na-eject si Chog. Whether kanang, I believe you mentioned sa atong previous interview na kay plan A to Z. But was there a plan for that na did you kanang kung naay ma-eject na player mawala, naaba mo kanang ginabuhat na adjustment na kanang specific or wala lang unsa ba?
Actually, kuan lang, balang ako kay never man jud mi nag-rely sa isa ka player. So kato lang bali sakit kay sa part na ko nawala si Chog, pero ang akong ginahuna-una to is on to the next play na lang kay di naman to mausab. So ang ako lang mo step up lang team, maningkamot lang players to fill the void na nahawa dahil kay Chog. So katura luckily naningkamot ang team, nakadaog ta.
Yeah, and lastly dito ta sa OT. But we cannot deny, coach. Wala na gid may momentum. All momentum
Malaysia.
Yes, it was a swing of momentum.
Tinod kayo.
Nagpaulan sila tres.
Tinod kayo.
I think there were 2 successive threes that got them back to the game.
Tama.
And again, to his gutan. This time, although he for the most part, of course, he was very clutch. Raisus missed free throws. So, ako pangutana karon is there kanang sa imuha sa coach na nahitabo no the deja vu lagi. Nakaingon ba kang not again? Way inaana na pod. Ana ba? Wag inaana gani na feeling or sa imuha is you were so focused na wala na nimo naisip or unsa ba?
Actually, for me, si Raisus, burag, para sa kuha, siya yung nagpadaog sa mong team.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Mao siya mong captain kay, mao lang ginayong balik-balik kay Raisus Rai, burag, wala pa may katry. Nakatry may isa ka game na wala si Raisus. Napildi mi. So, burag, for me, isa si Raisus sa mga irreplaceable sa mong team.
Yes.
So, katupa mong ginapaningkamutan pohon, gina-practice pa na mo pohon na anad mong kay may perminti na naa si Raisus.
What if wala na siya?
So basking simba ko na time na brag simba ko lang. So dapat nana sa ko para maging prepare ang team para ready mi ana na moment.
Pero kato sa ko first question, coach, wala ba kaingon na
Wala.
not again?
Wala
yun?
ko kauna-una ana kay salig ko sa player. Salig ko kay Raisus jud as in.
Okay, so okay, happy to towards the end, overtime. Of course, you were able to pull away with 2 seconds silang gyapon ana by an inch of the teeth pa ang term ana. But katong
Dagger, 3
when
points
when Rene hit that shot, and I will really say dili to chamba. Because kung wala ka nagsubay sa games, wala ka kita na naka-shot siya ginato against Indonesia. So kato pag-attempt niya.
Actually, kuan kana
because not because he dili siya shooter or anything like that, but that is not his game. Kanang iyang game good is inside.
Actually kani a little background lang. So 'di ba after the game kay kanang naga-practice me. Every day naga-practice mi dito. So katong tira na to ako tigpasa sa iya to.
Oh.
As in mao pagtira niya sure jud ko ma-shoot to kay every after practice na mo maghatag og 1 hour same spot as in. So ang ginabuhat nako si Butterbonyag sa Noria ako tigpasa sa ilaha balik mag 5 maids 10 maids sila ani na spot 10 maids sila na spot niya mag-switch sila. So katong exact shot na to ako tigpasa siya sa practice.
Okay.
Sa Brunei sa Brunei
kato. So to those na naisip na chamba no. Mo gina ang repetition sa practices. It will naagi fruits of labor sa inana. Because repetitive na kuan no execute nimo. But you can also see dili man gyud ka nang lami kay shooting form.
Tinod.
Pero the follow through was there.
As in
the confidence to shoot that shot in that big moment was there. Mo pagsulod it wasn't much of a surprise. And of course he's the MVP.
Tama.
He's got that, di ba? Clutch gene. Okay, I think We're almost done, Coach, but let's talk about this little incident that we've heard that occurred after the game with the Malaysian coach. Naa siya giingon daw sa imo after the game, and it looked like he didn't congratulate you. So what happened there?
Ang sabi niya sa akin is, Coach, you're teaching your players how to play dirty.
Uy,
Ano
ano man?
Kana siya sa kuha kay katulagi si Moral, si Batarbonya daw, ana. So akong gitubag lang siya kay no.
No.
Yan ako nung nahawa na ko kay
Okay.
ganahan magipag-deal ato ng mga kuan mo.
Kay
Dawag
wapong
naman ta.
moment nanang moment.
Ako ganahan gubaon to na kuan. So
So,
after actually before the award day ni duol na pud siya.
mm.
Explain na pud siya ng anong ato daw ako mga player, ano to mga player.
Uy.
Yan ako na giinan ako sila na I'm 100% confident na dilian ako ng mga player. So hawa na pud ko kay sama ko siya sig kuan sig di siya ka kuan ba ka get over sa pagkapil, di ba?
So that's Coach Jess taking the high road sa inato na human naman ang game.
Be the better
so,
person.
Be the bigger person
tama.
sa inaanan na moment. But I will not clap back, but I will say that for the Malaysian team, there were few players dito na sigig flop.
Tinod.
I would really say that I was watching the game and
Tinod.
they got a call. Pag yun. But,
Tinod.
no discredit to their talent.
Tinod.
It was there. They were long.
Tama.
Players were tall, makashoot. But to say that after the game is kind of distasteful. But glad that Coach Jess took the high road and was the bigger person in that moment. Okay, so let's go back to the championship now. Of course, obviously, I will not ask you how you felt. And I think you will answer that this is the best win yet.
Yes.
Diba? So, from that moment up to now, what's new? Nabay ka ng, because, you're now a famous coach nationwide. You have 100K followers on your page now, Coach Jess. So, automatically, maisip na mo is, are there any coaching offers?
Actually, so far karon wala jud. So ako lang magkinaon sa man Davao lang man jud ko kay love kinakon Davao, di na ako biyanan Davao. And katupod bali always mo na ako gina-remind sa mga players na dili jud mo saka sila mga ulo ang fame, ang kadaugan kay mawala ra man na. Ang ako importante sa ko isang attitude nila.
Yes.
Ang usaon nila pag-deal sa fame na naa sila karon, always stay humble. Always work hard kay mao man na nagpaabot sa mga kung asa mi karon among paningkamot among trabaho. Kato lang brag a little background lang sa palaro na brag before the palarong pabansa stint damo 3 to 4 hours per day mega practice para ato. So for me digto pa lang sa process sa palaro ay sa among pag-practice sa palaro digto pa lang makaingon ko na maski wala pa mi ni champion makaingon na champion na may kay grabe among sacrifices para ato.
Okay, Coach. That's a very clear answer. And of course, I can't help but ask, wala ba'y kanang, is there an offer you can't refuse? Possibly. What if grabe yun na,
Wala jud.
dili yun ka. Dili lang yun ka. So, Coach is here to stay. Coach Jess is here to stay, to continue developing Davao City players. And that's a very good news para sa atong mga homegrown talents. Because Coach Jess will be helping you. What's next for Coach Jess and the players? I know na may other leagues, but can you tell us future plans
Kato, so,
for you and the team?
Ang pinaka-brag lock-in tournament na makaroon is ang Davra. So ang Davra is February 22 to 26. That's the final that's the final level para makaabot og palarong pamansa. So hopefully makuha na mo tong Davra championship na mo para pag-abot og palarong pamansa solid ma-defend am among kuan title.
So napa bang players na to ana, Coach, or
solid gyapon, solid ta.
they will eligible pa sila.
Eligible tanan.
Okay,
katong mga nasa ASEAN School Games eligible tanan. Plus nadagdagan og mga katong sa DICA players na to.
Sige, ako na lang ipangutana pod last. Because you have an immaculate record. Is there a pressure na back to back?
Wala. Actually, wala na mo na ginahon na ang among mindset permanent is one game at a time. So
if ever mapildi, okay lang.
Never jud mo na gina. Dili jud okay mapildi sa mga mao mega practice
okay.
mao gapaling kamot.
But of course, yes, we will there's gonna be expectations pa budaog. But to me, I would say, regardless of the result, you have proven yourself and the
Thank
players have proven themselves. So, murag add-on na lang na sa legacy.
Tinod.
And I think that wraps up
Yes, sir.
our interview with gold medalist.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Coach
Clyde.
Jess. Coach Jess, you are goated.
Yes, sir.
And
Wala,
yes,
wala.
again, I will say, Coach Jess, of course, is right now the best coach in Davao. Na ba'y competition? Wala man siguro. Of course, that's not discrediting the other
Tinod.
notable coaches
Tinod,
here,
tinod.
but what Coach Jess has accomplished is truly a legacy on his own, and nothing hindi na to siya worth putangan o comparison. It's just a great accomplishment overall, and of course to the players. And Coach Jess, this is your time to give shout outs. Thanks to everyone who was part of this successful journey.
Sige kato, shoutout syempre shoutout sa akong family, sa akong wife, sa akong mga magpapa na ni Adto Bernay, sa akong mga igsuon, sa akong mga anak. Special shoutouts di ay kay Cayetano family, mo tong murag backbone jud namo. Sila nag-support sa mua masking wala pa mi na kamit, wala pa mi na champion na nasa sa mua. Same time mga parents namo na active kay sila Ma'am Lala Redulia, Ma'am Hani Laroya, and ang mga DepEd officials sila Regional Director Alan Fernazo, kay SDS Ray Solitario, kay among team manager Sir Alim, at community kay principal namo si Doc Joan, ang among president sa Ateneo si Father Karel, si Father J-Boy, among 6-man, among mga sports coordinator si Sir Brian and Sir Anthony. Shoutout sa inyo tanan. Thank you. And also special shoutout sa akong igsuo na love kayo na ako, Mel Jewel Evangelio. Let's go.
Hello again.